Hello to all of you. Myself Meghna Sharma is going to teach you Grade 8 Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals, and today topic is kinds of quadrilateral. Angle sum property. Now in this figure, this is a triangle and we have studied in grade 7 the sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. We all have used this property to find the angles of a polygon. In it, we first have to see the number of sides of a polygon. Then subtract 2 from it and multiply the result by 180 degree to find its total angle sum. Sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon. Let us take an example of triangle. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. What is n? N is the number of sides. Now in a triangle, how many sides are there? 3. 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. That is multiplied by 180 degree, that is equals to 180 degree. So in a triangle, the sum of all interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Let us take another example for regular pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Now again we are taking the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. What is n? N is number of sides. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 multiplied by 180 degree, that is equals to 540 degree. It means the sum of all interior angles of a regular pentagon is equals to 540 degree. For any polygon, you can see in the figure, interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180 degree. Because of linear pair, we can use this property to find the angles. Now, sum of the measure of the exterior angles of a polygon is always equals to 360 degree. Now this is a quadrilateral. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. These 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are the exterior angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Quadrilateral. It is a four-sided figure. Any figure is having a 4 sides. That is called quadrilateral. Now, quadrilateral, we can come to trapezium, kite and parallelogram. Types of quadrilateral are, first is trapezium, kite and parallelogram. Now, again we will find the kinds of parallelogram. They are rhombus, rectangle, and rectangle is a part of a square. It means there are some special parallelograms. They are rhombus, rectangle and square. Kinds of quadrilateral. Trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are of equal length, we call it an isosceles trapezium. Kite. It is a special type of quadrilateral. A kite has 4-sided. A quadrilateral having a 4 sides, it means a kite has 4 sides. There are exactly 2 distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. What do you understand by the term consecutive? Consecutive means in a continuous way. Okay. Consecutive word starts from C and continue word starts from C. Consecutive means continue. There are exactly 2 distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. Parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. You can see in the figure also, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now let us see the properties of parallelogram. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure. The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means equally. They are bisect equally. Some special parallelogram. They are rectangle, square and rhombus. Properties of rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are also equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means they are equally divided. The most important thing, that is the note, a rectangular is an equiangular figure but not an equilateral one. Equiangular means all angles are equal but not an equilateral. Equi means equal, lateral means sides. All sides are not equal. That's why we said a rectangle is an equiangular figure but not an equilateral one. Properties of rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all four sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Means diagonal, where the both diagonals meet of a rhombus, they will make an angle of 90 degree. Properties of square. A parallelogram having all its sides equal and measure of each angle being 90 degree is called a square. In square, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. Each angle being equal to 90 degree, the diagonals are equal. The diagonal bisect each other at right angles. The most important thing is note, that is a square is an equilateral and equiangular quadrilateral. Means square, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. That's why it is called equilateral and equiangular quadrilateral. Therefore, it is called a regular polygon. Thank you. I hope you all will understand the kinds of quadrilateral easily.